Hello everyone, it's Blake Dagger here, and this is part 2 of my 3 dogs. And this time, I'm going to be showing you guys my dog, Cody. 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 Cody is like 3 months old, so he doesn't know that much. He doesn't know as much as Bruno. Anyway, Bruno's right here. Say hi to Bruno. Cody, no, don't lick me now. Now you're gonna lick me, Cody. Cody, come here. Cody. As you can hear, there's a dog barking in the background. And Cody is hitting my phone out of my hands. And that dog is my 3rd dog. She will be revealed in my next video. And this is Cody. Cody, say hi. Ow! Cody, say hi. Cody. Cody, say hi to the camera. Cody. 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 No. No. He's eating me. Stop. Cody. Stop. Anyway, Cody's 3 months old. He's really playful and really bitey. And really small. Back away from the controller. Back away from the controller. Anyway, he wants to play with Broom Brooms, but no, don't lick me. Love you, Cody. You can lick me after the video, okay? Okay, Codes? Cody? I love you. Bruno, say hi to the camera. You're welcome. Anyway, this is Cody. Love Cody. Cody's small, 3 months old, and cute. So you can only love Cody.